Hey everyone, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using hardware 3 running FSD 12.6.4. And we're already in a pretty weird situation. We have to merge to our left here and there's so many trucks, and this truck wants to take a right. We went in, the truck behind us let us in. This is a disaster. Holy, starting the video off with the very bad situation. Now we're going around, getting around all these trucks. Personally don't like trucks, like in terms of driving near them, because it's like there's just so much weight involved there. If anything happens, it's pretty bad. What I normally see is that people don't give, the right of way to trucks. I know that you're not supposed to, or like it's not like a bus or whatever, I guess you're not supposed to, but like you probably should, because truckers drive like so many hours in the day. They spend their whole time driving, so it's like it's nice to let them, it's just really nice, and probably helps them out a lot, just letting them merge and stuff. I know some people don't like to let trucks go in front of them because it makes their commute maybe take a little bit longer. But we're all trying to get somewhere, and truckers, they drive a lot, so it's crazy how sometimes I see people not letting trucks like get into the lane and stuff. So if you guys are on the road, just help them out, make their lives just a little bit easier. We're gonna be making a left here, and that was really smooth, no complaints. With with protected lefts like that, it just performs really well. And now we're accelerating to the speed limit and just taking these curves right here. There's a car that just went in front of us, this Kia, so the Tesla recognizes that, but the Kia's still moving, so we're going. Coming on this curve, there was a lot of cars piled up here, so now we're gonna slow down, come to a stop. A little bit rougher than usual, but I guess the car didn't expect so many cars to be here, so, but it was still nice. It wasn't bad. Now we're accelerating, and it's really smooth. The fire truck's over here, but they don't have their lights on, so I guess they're just getting to wherever they need to go. And thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys are showing on all the videos. I'm seeing a lot of comments, a lot of likes. It's really awesome reading all the comments. So if you guys have any questions, any suggestions, or just any questions regarding like FSD or Teslas or the experience, why are we slowing down? I guess the cameras didn't notice it was green, so I just better safe than sorry, so it slowed down there. But I guess like the sun is in a weird way where the cameras couldn't recognize the light, or maybe like the green on the light. It recognized the light, but it just didn't know what it was. So yeah, like, comment down what you guys what are some of your questions, because I know a lot of you guys are looking to get a Tesla, maybe try out FSD. So comment down below what you guys want to see. I know a lot of you guys might be new to the channel. A lot of regular viewers we got, a lot of regular commenters. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the comments. We're gonna get night drives, we're gonna get weather drives. It's just I'll just record whenever I do a night drive. It's just been a while since I did one, so I'm just waiting. And it's also since it gets dark very late and it gets bright very early, it's very hard to find some time to actually do a night drive, but I will. I just need to find the right time. And with weathers, rain, whatever, fog, like I will totally do videos in the rain and fog, but it just hasn't rained or like any bad weather conditions the last couple of weeks. So if you guys want to see any of like those kinds of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, because I post videos like this one every single day. So if you guys are looking to get a Tesla, you guys maybe already have a Tesla and looking to get FSD, subscribe, because I'll share my experience, share what it's like to use FSD every day, and whether or not it's safe, and more importantly, whether or not it's worth it. And yeah, we're at a stop right now, and it's just, car has handled everything so far, and it honestly makes your drives a lot less stressful. So it's very nice to have a system like this, so I could just sit back, relax a little bit, not too much, like I can't be falling asleep or going on my phone or anything. You always have to pay attention. Even with this system like this, you got to make sure you're paying attention, making sure that the car is safe at all times and doesn't put anybody at risk. You don't want to ruin everybody's day or ruin your day over something like that. You just got to make sure that this system's here to help you. It's not, you shouldn't let it cause any harm. The light's about to turn green. I think they're gonna get in advance, and we get the light too. So we're gonna be making through this intersection, just following the car in front of us, this Honda, and it's keeping a good distance, accelerating smoothly, no complaints. Like, it's very, very smooth, very nice. I could just enjoy the AC while my car drives me where I need to go. Just really nice. I can't wait till the light's about to turn yellow. The light turned yellow, and the car's slowing down. It came to a smooth stop, even though it recognized the yellow light just almost too late. Like, the light, like, we were almost at the intersection, so it was really nice how it slowed down very smoothly there. And that was the quickest light I've ever seen. Holy. And now we're accelerating again, very smooth, staying very centered. Like, this system just, for those of you who might be new to FSD, or maybe not even know Teslas could drive by themselves, I know there's a lot of older folks that maybe haven't seen what new cars could do, and this might be your first time seeing this sort of technology, and it's kind of unbelievable. Some may think this is AI or something, and yeah, this technology's like here. So, and it's like, this is an older Tesla. This is not even like the newest one, and it could do this. So, if you guys are looking to get some of the older Teslas that are FSD capable, make sure they're hardware 3, and this will be your experience. And I feel like the value is there, especially the used Tesla, since they're going very low in price. I don't know about right now. Again, I don't know if gas prices is, obviously it's playing a factor, but I don't know if people are rushing to get a Tesla. Like, I don't really know the market, but I just checked, and like, the prices I think went up a little bit from last year. So, but that's in Toronto. Your area might be way different, and your use case might be different. Like, say you live in the countryside, or like, you do road trips to nowhere all the time. Maybe an electric car might not fit your use case. Maybe a gas car works and satisfies your problems a lot better. So it's not like you have to get a Tesla or an EV. It's just, if it solves your problem, then it works. Coming up to this right, going downhill, so we're getting some of that regen back, which is awesome. I think that was a Lamborghini. I couldn't recognize that fast enough. We're gonna be stopping at the light, making sure nobody's coming, and then we're gonna be making a turn. Very smooth, very nice, and we are accelerating. And that was very smooth. We're still centered. We're just following the road. Car braked a little bit there. I don't know what that was about. I think it might have thought that sewer or something was an object, maybe some of the shadows or something. So far, really nice and smooth. Coming up to this light, it recognizes some of the cars off in the distance. and now we're slowing down, slowing smoothly. Yeah, it's a Lamborghini Huracan. Love those cars, man. They're so awesome. Red brakes too. That's so awesome. And now the light turns green. And we're just following this truck. Truck's a little bit slow, but that's okay. We're just gonna be maybe take another look at that Lamborghini. That thing is so sick. Teslas will never sound as good as a V10, right? I don't remember what engine type it is. I think it's a V10. Those things are so awesome. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I post videos like this one all the time. Check out some of the playlists. I have a long form playlist, a shorts playlist, so you can binge some of my videos. And check out some of the links in the description. It'll help support the channel. And comment down what you guys think, what you guys want to see, and how do you guys feel? You guys think FSD is awesome? You guys think you're looking to get a Tesla? You guys want to get a Tesla? Like, let me know what you guys think. Would you buy FSD? Would you buy a Tesla? Or would you even buy an EV? Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys. Peace.